Hi there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Super happy by seeing this because I still can't believe that I really have a YouTube channel and I'm saying this. As you have read by the title, today's video is going to be about my vision board, and basically it's a video where I am reviewing my 2025 year, like how it went, what all things I did, what are things I achieved from my vision board. And okay, so before I show you my vision board, I'll talk about why I made a vision board in the first place. I made it because I wanted some sort of clarity, direction, and few a little bit of motivation to work towards my goals. So that's why I made it. Like, I am quite, I am a person who doesn't like to share all my goals with someone. Like, I'm not comfortable if someone knows what I am up to. I don't really like to share that ki, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, or I want to do this and that. I just don't share it with anyone. But so that's why I was pretty uncomfortable to like make a vision board, because then people who will visit my house will know about my like what pictures I have put on my vision board is something I want to achieve, right? So they will know about that. My parents will know about it. Like anyone, I just didn't want to share it with anyone out loud. But then I think somewhere, I don't know, but then still I encouraged myself to make an vision board and being okay with people knowing what I want to do. So yeah. So that's why I made a vision board, and this is my vision board. I don't know if you can see it clearly or not. Let me just focus over there. I think you can see it very clearly right now. I think you can very clearly see this. It is inverted because I am recording it from my front camera, so bear with that. I'll show you properly. And yeah, now I am okay with people knowing what I like, what I have on my vision board. It is okay now. But yes, and also one thing I would like to share before explaining it, give you some sort of tip before making a vision board. I feel you should diversify your goals. Like, for example, relationship, health, career wise, you should set your goals and you should collect images according to them, and then it will be easier, like what goals you want to achieve from like health category, then what goals you want to achieve or what things you want to achieve in your career. So वैसे you can diversify things and divide it and then make a vision board altogether. So yeah, that's what I have done. This is an interesting part and my favorite part of my vision board. That is kind of थोड़ा सा boring and not boring but super difficult to think about this part, I feel, and I have struggled over here. But yeah, let's start with this because this is the starting wala part of my vision board. So right here I have Ganpati Bappa ka photo because I feel, and as you can see that he is blessing by his hand. He is blessing to all my things, all my things that I have on my vision board. सो मैंने पूरे टाइम इसको कैसे रखा था पता है, ये इधर था एंड ये जो है ना ये साइड में था, सो दैट ही इज़ ब्लेसिंग ऑल माई गोल्स. ओके, सो इट वॉज लाइक दैट. So yeah, then another thing is here are few quotes that I have put, and here it is: I am aligned with energy of the wealth. Okay, then God's plan is greater than mine, वैसा sort of thing, because I believe that lately I've realized that all the plans or all the decisions that I've made for myself don't really come true, or I have never um, done something or achieved something according to my plan. There every single time I do something, I plan something, it goes wrong, or like it changes its direction, and I feel that's what God's plan is. And after, like for example, I choose path A and then I go on a path B by some or the another reasons, so I feel that's what the God's plan is. Like, I deserve path B more than path A, like what I choose for myself. So yeah, and every time I go on a path B now, at that point I realize while being in that journey कि oh I really deserve this path B, why did I think about path A. वैसा होता है मेरे साथ. Then I am always grateful for that path B ही, and then I start thinking कि yeah, path B would have been difficult, or like it is not my thing, or it would have been, you know, really very traumatizing for me, like that. So that's how God saves me, I feel, and His plans are super good. So that's why God's plan is greater than mine. Then I have this 1111 over here. Lately it's been quite few years I am like, you know, coming across these numbers 11 11 2 2 4 4 4 3 3 3. Literally there are few days when I wake up in the morning, I see 10 10, then 11 11, 12 12, 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, like 5 5. ये it's like cycle, and there are days, literally there are days where ये मुझे continuously दिखते हैं, like hour by hour I get to see them, like all the numbers. And I used to think like I really don't have a deeper knowledge into these numbers and all, but I just believe that universe is guiding you in some or the another way, that you are on a right path, or different meaning it has. So I feel that's how the universe is listening to me and helping me and guiding me throughout my journey. So that's why I believe in that 1111. So that's why I have that on my vision board as well. Ki, oh, 1111, make a wish, then it will be fulfilled, like that. So yeah. Then the next part is, this is the evil eye emoji, which says the universe is always protecting me. So as you all know that 2025 year was something, you know, super risky sort of a year, because so many accidents were happening, so many mishaps were happening around the world. And I was quite like, you know, nervous in the start of the year. Like I had that feeling, I don't know, I just got that feeling that, you know, I need some sort of protection, because anything can happen. And was everything was risky, by car, by scooty it is risky, by flights are crashing, then trains are colliding, everything is going wrong. So that's why I started like, you know, believing in universe, that no, कुछ भी हो जाए, universe is protecting me. I have this mentality and thought. So that's why it is there on my vision board that yes, universe is protecting me, nothing will happen, that nothing will happen to me. कुछ भी हो जाए, मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा, मुझे, मेरे loved ones, मेरी family को कुछ नहीं होगा. So that's why it is there. And evil eye, because I really believe in nazar. But you know something, nazar really restrict you sometimes कि यार I can't put this because नज़र लग जाएगी, I can't do this because नज़र लग जाएगी. But वो नज़र लग जाएगी, I feel was restricting me. So I started believing कि भाई कुछ भी हो जाए, if I am putting my 100% in it, I am doing all the hard work for it, then नज़र क्यों लगेगी मुझे. And नहीं लगनी चाहिए नज़र if I achieve something. Like why should I hide it from the people, you know. I'll just flex it, or like not flex it, but then, you know, be okay and accept it ki, oh yes, I have this thing, I have achieved this thing. So that's why I really don't want to believe in nazar, but that's why it is there कि to believe that, to say that कि ओ कुछ भी हो जाए नज़र मुझे नहीं लगेगी. That's why I have put it this over here. Is the happy family and sort of a nice group of friends playing around. So that I really want to have in my life, a nice group of friends who are not jealous, who are like friendly and nice, like you are just enjoying with them. Similarly family bhi ki coming all together and then playing different type of games and just chilling, like that. That's what it defines. So that, and I some sort of achieve this in my life, I feel. And even this thing, like yeah, I am protected by the universe, so it is really true. Then the next thing is this, it is Shivji and Parvati. So I just put that there because I really want to have that bond in life, like Shivji and Parvati, which is super delusional, but anything can happen. Okay, similar to this, I have Ritesh and Janelia, because I feel again, I want a similar bond to them. I really admire that couple. So that's why they are there. Like, this is the divine energy wala inspiration, and this is the real life inspiration, Ritesh and Genelia. Then similarly, Radha and Krishna ka foot, it is there is a small quote: pray, wait and trust. Oh yeah. And this small image here is a YouTube का सिल्वर प्ले बटन, इट इज़ देयर. सो ये मुझे, मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं था लास्ट ईयर व्हेन आई मेड अ विजन बोर्ड. मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं था टू स्टार्ट अ यूट्यूब चैनल और लाइक टू यू नो मेक टू हैव एन नाइस इन्फ्लुएंसर इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट, और कुछ प्लान नहीं था. माई बेसिक प्लान वॉज दिस, लाइक यू नो, getting a job into Microsoft. That was my goal, and that is my goal. But then still YouTube was not a plan. इधर ना बस इतना सा स्पेस बच रहा था, एंड आई एम लाइक कि मुझे कुछ ऐसे सोच नहीं रहा है मैं क्या डालूँ इधर. सो आई थॉट कि यार यूट्यूब, मेरे को ऐसे 2020 में लगा था कि आई शुड हैव अ यूट्यूब चैनल. आई सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक्ड इट, लाइक एन्जॉयड टॉकिंग टू कैमरा एंड देन यू नो रिकॉर्डिंग एवरीथिंग. ये मेरे में था पहले से समवेयर. आई वॉन्टेड टू डू दैट, बट यू नो दैट शाइनेस एंड लाइक आई डिडंट डू इट. सो मैंने से टाइम पास, लिटरली मैंने टाइम पास के लिए डाला कि लेट्स पुट यूट्यूब का सिल्वर बटन. इसलिए मैंने डायरेक्टली सिल्वर बटन डाला. ऐसे भी नहीं है कि यूट्यूब स्टार्ट करना है तो आई पुट यूट्यूब का बटन, नहीं, मैंने सिल्वर बटन डाल दिया सीधा, बिकॉज इधर स्पेस बच रहा था फॉर टाइम पास. एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ it happened, like I started a YouTube channel. Like, I literally don't know how, but then my friend convinced me to have a YouTube channel ki no, you start. And she literally pushed me so much ki no, you start a YouTube channel, you can do this. And I somehow started it. Like, I was so super scared to gain subscribers. Like, starting from scratch is so difficult, right? So I was super scared. I'm like, bro, one किधर 1 million and 100 कितना 100K किधर, एंड लाइक वो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच किधर. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगा था कि नहीं होगा यार, इतने सब्सक्राइबर्स तो नहीं होंगे. बट देन somehow they pushed me and I started it, and it is okay, like it is going good and I am enjoying it, whatever it is. Like, starting from scratch was really nice. Or is Kedarnath. I wanted to go to Kedarnath. My mom went to Kedarnath 3 years back. At that point I couldn't go for some reason, I don't know what reasons, but I didn't go. She went, and I literally wanted to go to Kedarnath and do all the 12 Jyotirlings over the, I guess they are in India itself. So yeah, I wanted to complete those 12 Jyotirlings, and that's why I posted a Kedarnath picture. And again I thought, again it is like delusional. मैंने ये, let me tell you one thing, मैंने ये पूरा vision board लिटरली ऐसे ही बनाया था. लाइक ऑब्वियसली आई वॉन्टेड द क्लैरिटी एंड एवरीथिंग, बट हियर आर फ्यू पिक्चर्स विच आई पोस्टेड ऐसे ही कि लेट्स से इफ इट हैपन्स इट विल हैपन, वैसा टाइप. बट समहाउ केदारनाथ नहीं, बट आई वेंट टू उज्जैन. इट इज़ वन उज्जैन एंड ओमकारेश्वर, लाइक दे आर 2 ज्योतिर्लिंग्स फ्रॉम दैट 12, and somehow that plan came to me. Like, my mom and Masi suddenly talking about going to Ujjain and Omkareshwar and all. I am like, I still took it lightly because I know मेरे end semester exams नवंबर में होते हैं, तो anyways I won't be able to go. एंड ये लोग ने टिकट्स भी बराबर नवंबर के ही बुक करे थे, लाइक 15 to 21 नवंबर, वैसा टाइप ऑफ थिंग. एंड आई वॉज सुपर डिसअपॉइंटेड कि आई वॉन्टेड टू कम, बट देन आई कुडंट. एंड इवन बिफोर उज्जैन दे हैड गॉन टू काशी. इवन तभी मैं गई नहीं थी बिकॉज मुझे बिना पूछे लोग ने टिकट्स बुक करके ही चले गए लिटरली. एंड आई कुडंट गो बिकॉज मेरे कुछ प्लान्स थे. लाइक आई हैड पार्टिसिपेटेड इन अ फैशन शो, सो वो मुझे छोड़ के जाना पॉसिबल नहीं था, तो मैं नहीं गई. एंड ये लोग चले गए. एंड इवन सिमिलरली अभी मेरे एंड सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स थे. हाउ एम आई सपोज टू गो, राइट? सो मैंने मम्मी को बोल दिया था कि आई एम तो डेफिनेटली नॉट कमिंग बिकॉज सी माई एग्जाम्स आर गोइंग टू बी देयर. So somehow, like, I don't know miracle or what you can call this, but end semesters usually postponed नहीं होते हैं, बट मेरे हो गए. लाइक वो नवंबर में जो थे, एंड लिटरली स्टार्ट वो 12 नवंबर से हो रहे थे टिल 25 नवंबर. टाइम टेबल आ गया था. देन आई एम तो लाइक अभी तो हम नहीं जा रहे हैं. एंड लिटरली दैट डे आई टोल्ड माई माऊ ऑल्सो कि आई एम नॉट कमिंग, लुक माई टाइम टेबल इज़ हियर। मेरे टिकट्स बुक करते हैं ये लोग, हर टाइम टिकट्स बुक करते हैं मेरे, इट्स जस्ट दैट मैं जाती नहीं हूँ, बट ये लोग चले जाते हैं वैसा। तो सेम मेरा टिकट तो बुक करा था, बट देन आई एम लाइक कि नहीं होगा अभी, कैसा होगा ये वो। ओके, देन सडनली इन दैट सेम वीक जब भी मैंने मेरे माऊ को बोला, माऊ मीन्स मासी, ओके, कि मैंने बोला कि आई एम नॉट कमिंग, एंड इन दैट सेम वीक लाइक आफ्टर 2-3 days मेरे को ना ऐसे वो नोटिस आ जाती है यूनिवर्सिटी से एंड कॉलेज के ग्रुप पे कि अरे तुम्हारे एग्ज़ाम्स आर फ्रॉम डिसम्बर, दे हैव पोस्टपोन्ड, एंड आई एम लाइक ओ माई गॉड व्हाट, दैट मीन्स आई कैन गो, and I was super happy, and I am like, I don't know what can I say that, but it was a miracle to me, and I could go on that trip. And oh my god, Ujjain is the best place to go, like it is super divine, and you could feel and you can feel that Shivji's presence, his city, and I don't know, if you are that connected obviously you will feel, and मतलब वो belief पे होता है, and it's just on you how you take it. इट वॉज सुपर पीसफुल फॉर मी, लाइक इनर पीस हो गया था एकदम मेरे में, एंड मुझे वापस आना ही नहीं था वहाँ से, लिटरली मुझे वापस नहीं आना था। बट एनी वेज आई टेल मोर अबाउट इट लेटर। सो दैट्स वाई, सो केदारनाथ डाला था मैं, उज्जैन एंड ओमकारेश्वर हो गया मेरा, केदारनाथ होपफुली सून हो जाए। सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ इट इज़ कैंडल्स का, लाइक यू नो, candles ka shop, candle shop, it is candle shop image, it is basically I want to have my own small business. I have a lot of creativity in me, I feel that I can do a lot of things, and I really want to start a small business in the creative field. वैसे before making ऐसे इंडस्ट्री से पहले मुझे थोड़ा क्रिएटिव जो मेरे में है ना, क्रिएटिविटी, from that I want to make as a small business, and my small sister has started her own page and everything, it is of bracelets and all, but I really want to take that to a next level and make it a legit a brand sort of a thing, and I am really planning on to that as well. So that's why it is there, and yeah, by putting this image that my sister did it somehow, and that idea came to her, she told me, and then I helped her with that. So even that somehow came true, not exactly but somehow came true, and in future I really want to make not candle, but then it can be other things as well. So next is my Mercedes car. I really want to have a nice Mercedes. Oh my god, I'm not talking more about it. That's it. ये बस मेरी ऐसे want है. So yeah, मैंने उसको बस उधर डाला है ऐसे. So I'm not talking anything about it. When I'll achieve it, we'll talk then. So this is kind of a, I don't really enjoy this vision board, but then things have came true from this. That is like you can see right here is the ये क्या बोलते हैं, वेट जिस पे अपन वेट करते उसको क्या बोलते हैं, आई फॉरगॉट, एनीवेज you know it, right? So I am super skinny, like I have gotten super skinny. I am not liking this, but it's okay, like you know, I have a good self acceptance, so I really enjoy it. But I don't like when people say, oh my god, what happened to you, you are so skinny, you have become so skinny. I mean, I know, and I'm struggling through it. Just don't tell me that I am this and that, okay? I just don't like it. But then don't like it means ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं I start getting irritated, but it is like I just don't like it when people say, it's like even I can see that, I know, थोड़ा chill करो तुम, I am working on it वैसा. So वो मुझे लास्ट ईयर अचीव करना था, 54 point something weight I want to achieve. Right now I can't tell you, it is like ये गोल तो डेफिनेटली पूरा नहीं हुआ है, एंड होगा भी कैसे, मैंने कुछ किया भी तो नहीं. लाइक आई लिटरली डिडंट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट गेनिंग माई वेट. आई यूज टू ड्रिंक बनाना एंड मिल्क फॉर 1 week एंड हो गया ख़त्म. फिर अगेन आफ्टर 1-2 months आई अगेन स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. कैसे पॉसिबल है फिर वेट गेन, राइट? तो नहीं होगा. एक्सरसाइज आई डोंट डू इट, रनिंग जॉगिंग आई डोंट गो बिकॉज ऑफ प्रोकैस्टिनेशन एंड कंटाळा ये तो मला हे ते. So I don't do that. So weight gain कैसे होगा? Obviously नहीं होगा, right? So that's why I didn't achieve that. Then here I have written you are hired. Okay, so last year, last year, nahi, I mean this year, I had gotten literally 2 to 3 job opportunities, but I didn't do that. Like literally, I was hired. I had offer letters, but my parents said that no, don't do job this and that. Why you need that? Afterwards, you have to do a job anyhow. Now, why you want a job? So that's how I just didn't go. Like मैंने interviews तो दिए थे for experience and all, but that came true that I was hired. So they suggested me to do, like my parents told me that do something that you can do from home, like work from home. So that opportunity I haven't gotten yet. I feel this is the only opportunity that I can do, work from home, for like to say that you are hired. But yeah, that was partially came true. It's just that I didn't choose and didn't let money to come in my life. So here is also the Monica picture in my hand. But yeah, I also did one internship, I guess in 2024, where I got paid, so that was nice.
Board is hair colored, like, you know, I wanted to do a hair color last year, but my mom was saying no to everything. But so that's why I decided, let's put it on a vision board, like I want to go with this sort of hair color. And somehow I did it. Like she said ki let's do it, and we did it. So yeah, I achieved this picture as well, like me in a colored hair. So I have a colored hair now. So yeah, that came true. Then the clear skin, I kind of have a good skin, I feel. थोड़ा I am in denial for this because बीच में it was good and then it became bad and now it is good. So it is that, but I think it is skin का thing ही यार. It can never be एकदम purely clean all the time. So ठीक है, I achieved it. Let's consider I have achieved it because I am happy with my current skin. Is phone, getting a new phone. So even last year I was not really in a need of getting a new phone. मेरा काम मेरे iPhone 11 से हो रहा था because I was not making videos and all. So it was just fine with that phone. Okay. बट मैंने सोचा कि एंड मेरे घर पे कोई बात नहीं हो रही थी कि लेट्स बाय हर अ फोन और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि लेट्स पुट इट ऑन अ विजन बोर्ड, मे बी दे विल स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट देन एंड देन आई पुट इट. Okay, and this is iPhone 16. I feel after iPhone 11 I really liked iPhone 16 when it was launched because of the situation, camera का वो action button or something, you know, the sensor they have side में, I don't know what it is called, please get it. So that's why I liked it, and also because it has camera in a straight manner. I don't like that slanting वाला camera situation. I like the straight one, and I had iPhone 11 उसमें straight ही था, and then 16 में straight था. Then I was like, oh, now it's time to buy a new phone maybe, or like, you know, maybe let's put it on a vision board, then I'll have it maybe. And literally 6 months later my parents started talking about let's buy you a phone, and it was like iPhone 16, and they were saying about iPhone 16, let's buy you a 16 वगैरह. But at that point I didn't want iPhone 16. I was like it's something June और जुलाई चल रहा है, सितंबर में न्यू फ़ोन आ जाएगा, let's wait for that, let's see if that is good, we can buy that ना, rather than buying 16
in June or July, right? I thought ki let's wait till September and new phone we'll see and then we'll get that. And yes, I didn't buy iPhone 16. I bought iPhone 17. Like not me, but my parents did. They bought me iPhone 17. So yeah, that even this came true. Like मैंने तो 16 मंगाया था, 17 मिल गया. And it is written over here DSA. I wanted to learn DSA. It is data structures algorithm. So I didn't learn it because of procrastination. So that's why I didn't achieve that. I have no knowledge about DSA yet, but I think I should start studying for that in the upcoming year or right now. There is a Microsoft picture and the girl is standing over there. That is my like dream job. That I don't have that much knowledge ki Microsoft will hire me yet. It is like there are more 3 years, then I can apply there, I guess. Or I maybe not, because of God's plan anything can happen. So let's see after few years but I still have it there. Like in some or the another way I have to, like I want to work with Google or Microsoft, literally in some or the another way. Either it can be a job, it can be a collab, or maybe going to Google office or Microsoft office. Basically I just want to go there for some sort of work,
not for time pass, not for ऐसे ही going and all, but for proper work I want to do with Microsoft or Google, so that's why it is there on my vision board. Then later I have all the healthy food and drink images over here, because I really want to have that healthy lifestyle where I am reducing eating junk food and I'm eating more healthier food and ghar ka khana basically. But I think I really did a good job on that, because like I kid you not, I was someone जिसको चपाती भाजी बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थी, and every भाजी was boring. It is even boring now, but then I eat it. चपाती भाजी वाला combination I would never eat, literally never. I was like I'll stay बिना कुछ खाए, but I'll not eat चपाती भाजी. I was that kind of person, and I was not liking that. Every single day I wanted junk food, like literally every single day. I was obsessed with McDonald's food when I was in diploma. Like literally I used to eat from McDonald's thrice a week or even 4 times a week. That was like craziest thing I did, and then skipping meals when I used to come home. So that was bad. Yeah, I definitely eat non-veg a lot, so I didn't really like bhaji chapati. But yeah, by putting that on my vision board, I really started eating, healthy food. Like all the bhaji I eat now, I make it a little interesting, because obviously eating bhaji and chapati is boring. So my nani told me that add crushed peanuts on your bhaji, then it will taste good, like taste better, like it will give you that sort of crunchiness while eating bhaji chapati. So that's what I do. Then it is helping me. Then I eat a lot of ghee on my chapati. So even I like ghee. So ghee wali ekdam garam chapati is really nice. So that's how I manage to eat bhaji and chapati. And even I eat every dal, every kind of dal. Like I don't really like dal and all, but because of this, I literally, by putting on vision board, I literally got that clarity. No, this year I really want to achieve this goal in life, in the aspect of health wise. I have to be healthy enough to eat everything and start eating every single thing that my mom keeps on my plate. So that's how it is, and it is going pretty well. Like whatever my mom offers me, I literally eat it without saying no to it, or like I don't even reduce the quantity. I eat it. Whatever she gives me, I eat it. So even she is happy कि oh my god, ये चीज़ कहाँ से आ गया, miracle है ये वो है. She thinks like that, but it is actually vision board, I feel. So yes, and also there are very different kind of juices. Even I started drinking juices for different purposes. Like I can now drink neem ka juice, karela ka juice, amla juice. Because my mom drinks that, ठीक है, and it is healthy for you. Obviously, like drinking one shot of that juice will definitely going to help you only. So it is super bitter, okay, but I can now bear that bitterness of it. And yeah, I do drink that also. So I am super happy for that healthy lifestyle wala changes in my life that vision board has made me. And I think whatever I have achieved in my vision board is because I have it for the healthy wala part, and that's how I have started eating healthy, and I have cut down on sugar, like unnecessary sugar cravings. I have cut down onto that. And then eating junk food, I don't really crave junk food anymore, and it's good. Like but I am okay with junk food. Like I can live without junk food. It is like that. Like once you start eating ghar ka khana, I don't think so there is need of junk food ka cravings. You will not crave anything then, in my opinion. Okay, I don't really crave that anymore. And literally, I have become that cutter with that thing na. Even if samne wala person is eating my favorite thing, okay, it is my favorite thing, but I am not craving it at that moment. But samne wala is eating, he is bringing it in front of me and showing me and eating. Even till that point, I will say no to that thing, because I've put my mind to it कि मुझे खाना ही नहीं है, तो I'll not it. It is like that. It has become like that. So it is really great कि I don't crave it. Even if you bring it in front of my mouth, I won't eat it, because I have put my mind to that, right? So that's how I have become strong mentally as well, and I can literally control my cravings, and that has become so better for me, and it has really helped me for all the good reasons. I have achieved all the healthier wala part over here. So that's it about my vision board. So and definitely yes, I'm going to make a vision board for 2026, but I'm not going to show it right now. I'll make it and I'll show it after a year. In December 2026, I'll show you what was there on my vision board, how many things I achieved on my vision board and all. We'll make that video after 1 year here, because yes, I am insecure about my goals and I'm not comfortable to share it before I achieve it. So yes.
And don't forget to make vision boards, because they do come true, and you will definitely get a clarity and motivation to work more, to do more hard work towards your goals. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.